something's going on outside, like for real, dude. Like, there's like this buzzing sound out there. Like, I can hear it from inside my house. So I take this out here. I'm gonna take this outside so you guys can hear it. Well, I gotta close my laptop for a second. Alright, I'm outside. It went away like as soon. It just now went away. But down just in case it makes that sound again. What the fuck? You hear that? I'm like in my yard. Like that's how loud it is. This is coming from like everywhere around me, dude.